In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Krita animation as MP4. So to do this, first you must finish your animation, then go to the top left and click on File, and then you want to click on the Render Animation over here. When you do this, you'll see a pop-up box will appear. You want to uncheck Export as Image Sequence, and you want to check this Export as Video, okay? So first click on that, then uncheck this, there we go. And then over here, you can set your width and height as well as the FPS, and the most important thing over here is to actually render as MP4. So right now, as you can see, it says video location is .mkv. So you want to switch this over here to MPEG-4, which is MP4. Now, whenever you've done this, of course, you can select where you want it. So the video location, I'm just going to click on over here, and I'm going to save it into my downloads folder like this. And I'm actually going to leave it as untitled.mp4, and I'm going to click on save. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to save in there, and then basically that's pretty much all you have to do. Now, again, you can adjust these things if you want to. I'm just going to click on OK right now, and it's going to start saving, and there we go. As you can see, usually it's going to take like a few seconds depending on how many frames you have, and whenever you've done this, it's going to export as an MP4. So I'll show you right now. It's inside my downloads folder over here. Let me pull this up. There we go. This is the MP4 which I just exported from Krita. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.